I was the supervisor for this team. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Damayanti.
Hi, I'm Narale Amani. My name is Damya.
And I'm Tishani.
We are from Sekolah Menengah Sains Tun Syed Shahabuddin.
Aqualizer. Hi guys, today I'll be talking about the introduction. Hydrogel is used in place of soil, especially for indoor plants. Watering a plant at night can cause wet foliage, thus using hydrogel can avoid disease caused by damp leaves. Plants that start developing disease can wilt, which becomes a more complicated problem to fix. Using hydrogel combined with organic fertilizer that functions as 2-in-1, where when it is combined it is named as Aqualizer. Aqualizer is a biodegradable product, thus it does not pollute the environment. And Aqualizer has brought many benefits. Next, we will be talking about the problem statement. These days, food crops that are grown using inorganic fertilizer are known to be less nutritious, since it mainly targets the fast growth of plants rather than its nutritional value. Additionally, exposure to ammonium nitrate, which is widely used in chemical fertilizers, can cause eye and skin irritation, which can lead to a burning sensation. The synthetic chemicals in the chemical fertilizers adversely does not affect the health of naturally found soil microorganisms by not affecting the soil's pH. These altered levels of acidity in the soil does not eliminate the microorganism beneficial to plant and soil health, as they does not help to increase the plant's natural defenses against pests and diseases. Greenery in cities clears the air, lowers surface and air temperatures, and even calms us down. But with that being said, it often disappears because of infrastructure projects. In addition, cities and villages are ecosystems that can hardly be called natural, and this is why planting trees make the environment greener.
Theoretical background. Aqualizer is a semi-liquid hydrogel inserted with fertilizer which is sphere in shape. Aqualizer are made from a super-absorbent polymer. They begin life as a tiny heartbeat, but can grow up to 100 times their original size when added to water. They are non-toxic and reusable, yet they do biodegrade over time, making them safer for the environment. Fertilizer is a substance added to soil to improve plants' growth. We have made our own organic fertilizer to insert in the hydrogel. Organic fertilizer out there only consists of 3 elements that are needed by plants, but ours consists of 16 elements. What are the 16 elements? It is nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, sulfur, boron, chlorine, copper, iron, manganese, molybdenum, and zinc.
Next, I will be talking about the objectives for this project. So the first one is to prevent plants from getting disease. The second one is to make sure plants don't wilt during water crisis. The third one is to help people in apartments grow plants without soil. The fourth one is to avoid breeding of insects. And the fifth one is to enhance the visual appeal of the area.
Pineapple skin, orange skin, apple skin, pomegranate skin, garlic, onion, potato flour, salt, coffee ground, and wilted cabbage are collected. 3. The waste is then mixed with dry leaves and soil to make the fertilizer. After a month, 30 grams of fertilizer is added into 500 ml of water with 90 degrees Celsius to be diluted. The fertilizer solution is mixed using a glass rod. Hydrogel is added to the fertilizer solution and left at the laboratory for 4 to 5 days. After After the hydrogel reached its mature size, it is soaked in fluorescent chemical for 16 hours. Our aqualizer has a suitable pH value, which is 7.9 to increase the growth of plants. It is because all 16 elements needed by plants such as boron, which is in apples, pomegranate skin, which has copper, salt, which has chlorine, manganese, which is in pineapple skin, cabbage, which has iron, nitrogen, which is in coffee ground, phosphorus, which is in garlic, potassium and magnesium, which is in banana skin, orange skin, which contains calcium, sulfur, which contains in onion, has all the energy needed by plants to grow quickly. The plants planted with aqualizer grows faster compared to the plants planted with hydrogel. On day 1, the amount of leaves for the plant planted with hydrogel is 0, and on day 7, it is 3. Compared to the plants planted with aqualizer, on day 1, the amount of leaves is 0, but on the day 7, the amount of leaves is 4, so it's more compared to hydrogel. About the height of plants, the height of plant on day 1 for the plants planted using hydrogel is 0, but on the 7th day, it is 4.3 cm. Compared to aqualizer, the height of plant during day 1 is 0, but during day 7, it is 5.3 cm.
Commercial potentials. First, become a potential income for food-based production industries, as the food waste such as spills and rotten foods can recreate the fertilizer in aqualizer. Second, increase in cost of lives has forced people to plant vegetables in their own house. Aqualizer helps people to grow stronger and healthier vegetables and fruits. Last but not least, aqualizer is a product suitable for workaholics, as people don't have to get their hands dirty and save time while planting trees in their own house.
As a conclusion, our aqualizer prevents plants from getting disease, makes sure plants don't wilt during water crisis, help people in apartments grow plants without soil, enhances the visual appeal of the area, and speeds up the plant's growth.